So in today's video I'm going to show you what I bought for my carnivore diet. This is on my grocery list. So I'm going to start with some ground beef. I have 2 trays of the ground beef. Nice price, $6.68 for this pack. I bought this small pack because, you know, at least this is basically like 2 servings to me. I can't eat all of this in one go, so maybe I can have some for breakfast for 2 days. This other size is $6.99. Yeah, nice small pack, nice size. And I got some, these are some chopped tender steak. I'm going to see how quickly this cooks. 2 nice pieces. Price is $6.29. Perfect. I bought 3 about those sides. This one is $5.75. This other one is $5.53. And I also got some pork. This should be quite interesting. Nice piece of pork. $3.69. Pretty good. A nice piece of fat there to the top. I bought 2 pieces, and hopefully this goes well and I enjoy it. I'll probably buy some more. $3.45. I also saw some lamb available, but they were quite pricey, so I left the lamb alone. There's another tray of the ground beef, $6.47. Got some butter. This one, Anchor, made by New Zealand. This one is all unsalted. I think there's a set that is salted too as well. And let's check the ingredients. That's what I've been doing, going through the ingredients. You can hardly see this one. Pasteurized cream. And you can barely see that one. Pasteurized cream and something else. I can't really see too good to show you. Yeah, so this is what I bought for my butter. This one is unsalted. And for the cheese, I got, this is Kraft extra short cheddar. It sells natural cheese. And again, I'm checking the ingredients. This is what they have here. Pasteurized milk. Cheese culture salt. Yeah, so this is the cheese that I bought. I have 2 trays of eggs. Each one is 18 eggs, dozen-and-a-half, and one each container is $9.49. And I got some salt, Himalayan salt. I couldn't get any smaller than this. I got this big one, pink Himalayan salt, and it's fine. I like that it's fine. You don't really have to use like a grinder or nothing like that. And the ingredients, pink Himalayan salt, just perfect. That's all. That's all. Okay, I think that's it for this week. Sharing with you what I bought at the grocery store. I'm going to go to the cash now to see how much this comes up to. I'll let you know.